What up, gang? Fresh haircut. Getting ready to take an ice bath. Pretty lovely weather. It's like 3 degrees outside, Celsius. Waiting for this slow ass kid. Supposed to come. So yeah, guys. Gonna be interesting. Gonna be cold. So yeah. Next clip is probably when we have arrived. So yeah. What up, gang? We have arrived at the destination.
Whoa, what's up, gang? Collabing with the famous Jakub. Look how massive I am. Jeg fryser min tær. Min heart rate 138.
Oh damn.
142.
Oh guys, let's get in the goddamn water.
Come for thumbnail. Thumbnail.
Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one. Peace out.